Another day in Zamunda. What's up with y'all? Mr. Avocado and Tomato Tree. So I'm gonna hold my camera down. I don't want to show too much of shit. So what's up, man? I eat. So all these is like the two big ones, like the black one and the other gray one. That's like a sister, brother, and her children. Long story short. And Star. It looks so burned, much alike. Anyways, listen. So now, to say the least, those are already done, and they children just, well, Star children, new batch of children just started running around. The cats. Here is this Fluffy. This is a sister of Star, and this is the only one that came out looking crazy with all it. Hey Fluffy. Hey Fluffy, you down there with the little ones. Okay. I see. Come, I got some more food for you. Hold on. Here, eat. I got food for you. Come on. Wow. Let's see if I can sit this down with the camera. Yeah, no. You hungry, ain't you? So, you've been down there feeding these babies. See them? All them down there. So, not Star, but Fluffy. Here. Here, baby. Eat. Come, mama. Here, eat it. I know you hungry. They just eating from you and don't want you to eat. All right, well, look. I'm finna go take this food over here so you can eat, okay? Okay. So I'm finna take this. Come on, Fluffy. Come on, let's go eat. Come on, Fluffy. Kitty. Come on, Fluffy. I call her Fluffy because when she was a little one, she just was a ball of darn fluff, just puffball. Come on, mama. That's how I call her. Come eat. Come on, Fluffy. She feeding the babies. Come on, Fluffy. Come eat. God darn it. Alright. The rest of them gonna come out here and tear it up. I guess I can put it over in the doorway so she can see it. Cause in the area by where she in here. I hate this. I'm gonna leave this over, but you better come. Look at the little spotted one. You better come eat. Here. Here, mama. Eat. I know. Come eat. Trying to make sure you get your strength. Hey, baby. Go eat. 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 Kitty. Eat. Come eat, Fluffy. Eat. Come on. Come on, Fluffy. Come eat. Come on. Come on and eat. I guess she's trying to feed the babies. All right, well, darn, what should I do? I might leave it for a second, but you're gonna have to come eat.